Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use groups command in Linux. So groups command is a simple Linux command. It's part of GNU Core Utils package, and the function of this command is to print a group or groups where a user is in or where a user is part of. So for example, if we type groups, it will print that my current user, which is Vagrant, is part of a group named Vagrant. Okay, and if we type groups with and pass other username, for example root, it will pass that root is part of root groups. Okay, in this system I use Ubuntu 2004, so I can try groups Ubuntu. So as you can see here that Ubuntu user is part of multiple groups. Okay, so that is the usage of groups command. So we can basically use groups to see our current user groups, or we can provide specific user as input, and groups will show what groups that user is part of. And if we see the manual page, we can open, let's clear and groups. So it have two options, help and version. And info page should show us similar info. So basically it has help and version. And we can also try groups help. So yeah, two options. So let's try the last one is groups version. So please note that this version is not the group's specific version, but this is the GNU Core Utils version installed on the system. So that's it for the groups command in Linux. Thank you for watching. Hope it will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe the Howtodojo channel. See you on the next video.